Bhumi Sharma is asking Arjun, how does it feel to get so much love? It is very overwhelming, Bhumi, primarily because I didn't expect that in 3 years I'll be able to make so many people happy, so many people smile, and so many people like my work. So it's really, really, really amazing, and thank you for that. Somebody asked me when is Virus Diwan releasing. As of right now, Virus Diwan is not being made, definitely not with me. So the best person to ask is Aditya Chopra, और उनको पूछना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. Okay. Ravi Malhotra. Rav Malhotra saying, please come to England. Yes, I will soon, but maybe you don't come to know about it. It might be another holiday. Revu is asking if you had an opportunity to represent with Rani Mukherjee, what would you like? Okay, these questions are going really fast. There's no way I can answer so many questions. Okay. What role would you do with her? I loved Rani in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, so I guess a film like that I would have to say. Yeah, it's very difficult. Nishanti Jasmine Yathi is asking me which character do I relate to the most. I would have to say Two States, Krish's character. Okay, this scrolls down really fast. It will be impossible for me to answer questions. Can I get a bigger window to do this? Genuinely, they're just scrolling. I can't even read the questions. When was the last time you visited New York? Shilpa, the last time I visited New York was when I came to drop my sister. That was about 4 years back. Are you planning to come to Australia anytime soon? Yes, I am, hopefully soon. Abhinav Kumar wants to know, what do you do to style your hair? I get out of bed and I just keep doing this the whole day. So eventually वो Wolverine जैसे हो जाते हैं बाल. Sadhya says, भाई just reply में दोस्ती का नजराना accept कर लेने को ना. यार, it's going too fast. Have you ever been to Hawaii? No, I've not been to Hawaii. If you want to experience someone else's life, who would you choose? Okay, no, she's asking, she wants to be in my life. I don't, okay. Aku, I'm noticing you, but it's going so quickly that I can barely notice half the other people because the scroll is just going down really quickly. Hiral, Malaysia loves me and I love Malaysia too. I will see you there very, very soon. Thank you, Maheen, for congratulating me. Yes, Sukanya, I love Calcutta. It's one of my most favorite, memorable places because I got to shoot Gunde, then spent 45 days over there with one of my favorite units. Okay. Okay, this is just going really fast here. Okay, Uni Krishnan wants to know which character I like playing of all the characters I've done till now. I would have to say all of them because they're all unique and different from whichever character, whichever other films you compare them to. But obviously, Parma remains my toughest. It was something I'm not at all. तो जब आपको कैमरे के सामने कुछ और बनना पड़ता है जो आप बिल्कुल नहीं हो और पहली पिक्चर हो तो मेहनत ज़्यादा लगती है तो when you see results तो मज़ा भी उतना ज़्यादा आता है. So I would have to say Parma still. Who's my favorite football player? Well, these days it's Eden Hazard primarily because he plays for Chelsea. Chelsea is my favorite team, so it doesn't matter which player it is as long as Chelsea keeps winning. Who am I closest to in Bollywood? Well, so many. I mean, Varun remains a very close friend of mine primarily because we were friends before we became actors. Ranveer, after working on Gunde, we did get really close. Who else are there? There's Katrina, there's Ranveer, there's just a bunch of people that I've always known very, very closely. Okay, Finas wants to know, do I study? Well, no, clearly not. I think everybody is well aware I'm not very studious by nature and I didn't really study even when I was young. The brand of my t-shirt, I'm wearing an All Saints t-shirt. That's a very arbid question. My question is, one second, this is somebody from France, Sadia. Okay, my question is with the perspective you're going, okay, it's just scrolling down automatically. I'm really sorry, I'm trying to answer it, but the scroll doesn't hold. What's my favorite food? Ghar ka khana. What's something that I can't leave my house without? I can't leave my house without my phone and my wallet and my car because I can't walk around in the city, unfortunately. Um, I love you, Asghar Yahya. If I got that name right, I'm really sorry if I didn't. In the future, what kind of films do you want to do? Ankita wants to know. I want to do all kinds of films. I think I've only done 6, so it's the tip of the iceberg. जितना काम किया अभी तक बहुत अच्छा लगा, but I would like to do lots more different kind of characters and hopefully a lot more performance oriented, not just hero driven roles. So let's see how that pans out. Any book you read? I don't read, Ambika. I read scripts. I don't read books. Honestly, the last series of books I read was Harry Potter, and that was a really long time ago. Those are the only books I ever bothered reading. Okay, Aurangzeb is my personal favorite. It doesn't really get enough credit. Is there anything similar on the horizon for you? Well, yeah, Aurangzeb remains one of my most underrated films in my short career, and I hope it gets its due. I believe it will eventually over a course of time. It was really unique. I guess maybe it was my second film, so a lot of people didn't realize it was really different in that sense. I do want to do many more films like that, which are real and gritty and deal with the other side, not just the action bit, but the drama and the emotion of being in a family business that might not be right. So let's see how it pans out. Let's see. I've not really got a script till now, which is in the similar vein. If you have to choose a movie title for your life story, what would it be? यार मतलब अभी इतनी बोरिंग लाइफ है उसको अभी टाइटल नहीं दूंगा. You guys figure it out and tell me. What's my most annoying habit? Yamini wants to know. I used to play with my hair a lot, so I cut it off more or less. That's a very annoying habit. And when I'm thinking, I tend to bite my fingers, which a lot of people get irritated about. Will we ever see you with? I'm assuming that's Sonam Kapoor. She was asking. I would love to work with her. We do events together. We end up being at award shows and film events together, but there's not been a script that's ever come for her and me. I would love to work with her. Okay, so any secret for your energy? No, there's no secret to my energy. My favorite cricketer. I used to love VVS Lakshman a lot when I was growing up and following Test cricket. Obviously now Virat Kohli remains somebody who's really really good. Can you speak in a British accent? Yeah, but it depends on. I mean, I'm not going to do that right now, but I can talk in a British accent. Which is your favorite film? Somebody asked me that. My favorite film, the film that inspired me to do everything when it comes to becoming an actor or director or whatever, be part of the film industry, was a film called Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels. Check it out. It's really fun, and it's not about stars. It's not about anything else. It's just great, energetic storytelling. My dream role, I don't know. That's the thing. A role. I mean, you've watched so many films, and you aspire to do films like that. Like I saw Piku the other day, and I really want to do a film like that. But you can't call it just a dream. I want to do many films that influence and make people smile. So let's see what happens. Okay. Anything I love about Shahid? I love the way he dances. I love how he's adapted and become a better actor as time has proceeded, and really honed his skills. And his choice of cinema recently has been exceptional. So yes, that's what I like about him. If I get to be a Marvel hero, which would I want to be? I love Thor in the Avengers, but I actually would like to be Wolverine if I ever get a chance. And obviously that has a lot to do with the way my hair is. Would you like to work with Shraddha, Rav? Rav, you're asking so many questions, or is it that you're running the chat and we don't know about it? I'm confused. Yeah, I would love to work with her. Yeah. My favorite color, Sakshi wants to know. My favorite color is blue. It's always been blue. It will always remain blue. Okay, they're asking me. Freebird wants to know which character resembles me the most. Krish from Two States resembles me the most emotionally, but I would say I'm not as silent as he is. I can tend to be really funny sometimes. Okay. I'm an Albanian fan of yours. Well, thank you for so much love from all the way from Albania. And your no, Shubh, I'm not at a coffee shop right now. I'm actually, where am I? I'm at YRF. How can I be at a coffee shop and doing this? One word for Manisha and Lavanya. I love you both. I love everybody who's been through these 3 years with me, supporting me no matter the highs and lows and no matter what happened around me. I've always felt like all you guys are there. Everybody on Twitter, even the people that were not on Twitter and I get to meet one on one when I travel the country and the world. It's really, really overwhelming to know in 3 years you've been able to touch so many people. Okay, where do you see yourself 10 years from now? Ambika Pandit wants to know. I would like to believe I'm still here entertaining you all as an actor, as somebody who does different roles, and maybe other different things that I would like to do, but I wouldn't want to speak about it. It's too early. The most important thing is to survive 10 years. It's not an easy profession. So I would like to survive 10 years and see how it goes. Please do a movie with Varun Dhawan. I've already done a film with Varun Dhawan, Shruti. It's called White Mountain. We are not very proud of it, but please watch it on YouTube. We made it for 5,000 rupees only. He directed me. He's my first director, just by the way. Okay. One bad habit you want to change, Jennifer D'Souza, I want to know. I don't sleep on time, and that's a big problem. I tend to stay awake late at night. That's not a good thing when you're an actor. Gauri Deshpande wants to know. Okay, she's just saying I love you. I love you too, Gauri. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you, Jayana. Bhumi, how can you meet me? Well, there's someday, somehow, somewhere you will meet me. Just keep that faith. How's my bromance with Ranveer? Thank you, Nina, for asking. It's going really well. Okay, where are we now? Most memorable moment with a fan. I was traveling once for a wedding in Jodhpur and a boy turned around and said, जैसे आप पिक्चर में बात करते हैं ना, जैसे आप इशक ज़ादे में बात करते हो, मैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही बात करता हूँ. So that's the day I really felt that I've connected with the audience, because you live in a vacuum when you live in a place like Bombay. You don't realize how many people actually go out there and watch your films in a theatre and like you or relate to you. That was my first moment and I'll never ever forget that. My nickname is Fubu, Sanjida. Okay, now. Do you like chess? Azhar, no, I played once in a while, but never been a big fan. Yes, I can swim, Rav. The only person whose questions seem to appear all the time. Sukanya, I'm too young to get married, but if I meet you and things go well, you never know. My favorite actor is Kareena Kapoor. Kiran, there's no second. Jennifer wants to know, am I really arrogant? Why don't you tell me? Mujhe nahi pata. People think I'm arrogant because I have deadpan eyes and I don't tend to smile all the time, but I think that's a gross misinterpretation of me as a person. Okay. No, I never read the book Two States. I just performed on the basis of what my director wanted. That was something very intentional. What else? So much love, don't I feel emotional? Of course I do. I'm not very expressive when it comes to my face, but I do feel it genuinely. And to be able to do this right now and have so many questions that I can't answer is genuinely overwhelming. And I know I use that word very often, but it is overwhelming. Say something to your Indonesian fans. I love you guys. वायरस दीवान कब आएगी मुझे नहीं पता यार. ये सवाल मतलब वायरस दीवान मुझे सच में नहीं पता कब आएगी. My favorite thing at Shake Shack. There's the burger obviously, and they have this red velvet shake that I really like, which I'm not going to be able to have for a while now. Who's scolding Vinayak? 1 second. I'm trying to go back. I've always got a scolding because of you. Who scolds you, Vinayak? And if you want hair like me, just use a good product and go to Alim Bhai if you're ever in Bombay and get a haircut like me. But why would you get scolded for having hair like me? If you could go back in time to yourself now, what advice would I give? Difficult, because you live and learn. So I am what I am because of whatever I've experienced. It would be difficult to just pinpoint one thing, but I definitely would have wanted to travel abroad to study. That's one thing I would have done, and play a sport when I was young. That would have made life easier for me to lose weight as I grew older. That's a very underrated aspect of your life when you're young. Show your Ishak Zadeh smile. Okay, there Jennifer, I just smiled. Okay. Do I watch Game of Thrones? Yes, I do, but I've not seen the last 2 seasons. I missed the 4th one, and I'm going to watch it now. Then I'll watch the 5th one. Terminator, Rambo, Salman Bhai. I think the answer is very obvious. Salman Bhai always. Uh, which is your favorite song? There's a song from Jhoom Barabar Jhoom which I really like called Bolna Halke Halke. It's a song that still makes me cry. I love it. Because we all have memories with every song that we listen to. If I want to be somebody else for a day, who would I be? Jose Mourinho. He's the coach and manager of Chelsea. I would love to be him. Okay. Do I watch Star Plus dramas? I'm not really a big fan of watching too much of television. Um, okay. Sneha Singh wants to know who my girlfriend is. I don't have a girlfriend, Sneha. वैसे आपका क्या प्लान है लाइफ में? When am I coming to Lucknow? यार मैं इतना लखनऊ रह चुका हूँ, लखनऊ घर की तरह. I was there throughout Ishaqzade, and I'm sure I'll be back sooner than I know it. How come I've stopped wearing studs? Because that was in continuity for Tevar, so उसके बाद निकाल दिए थे. If I need it for another film, I'll wear it again. They kind of restrict you when you want to look a little decent and civilized. What inspires me to be so grounded? I don't think you need an inspiration to be grounded. I think that's something that comes from within and your upbringing. But obviously, you want to be respectful and decent with everybody concerned. And I tend to now just be a little more decent because, like you guys asked, am I arrogant? I'm not. It's just a very, very gross misinterpretation because of my deadpan eyes, genuinely. The beard is not for some new film. It is just out of sheer boredom that I'm experimenting. Who is my stylist? I have my sister Riya Prerna who styles me a lot. Natasha who styles Ranveer and me both. She's very, very good as well. I have Akshay Tyagi who's another very, very good stylist. He's worked with Anayta Shroff. I met him during Finding Funny. So there are a couple of them who I really take help from and guidance from when it comes to. And of course I have Kunal who's one of my closest friends, but I won't call him just a stylist. He's much, much more than that for me in the sense I've learnt a lot out of him. Favorite director? Hindi, English, I don't know which one you're asking. Hindi, I guess. There's Rajkumar Hirani for obvious purposes. I've always been an ardent admirer of Farhan, primarily because Dil Chahta Hai was such a game-changing film in our country. Abroad, I would say Guy Ritchie. I love his work. And there's so many more. Yeah. It's difficult to just name one or two. Alia or Parinidhi, both. Why should I have to choose, Jennifer? Why should I choose? Please take my name. Rohan Mishra, I've taken your name. One thing about being an actor, one thing you like about being an actor, the fact that I can connect with so many people like this. It's unbelievable, the fact that I can have a conversation with so many people at the same time. My favorite Hollywood actor, I love Russell Crowe. I also love Denzel Washington. And of late, I loved Eddie Redmayne's work in Theory of Everything. I love Benedict Cumberbatch also. Show your shades. Yeah. Very demanding. Okay. यार ये बहुत फास्ट है यार. Best memories from childhood. Taking family holidays together. Can I take this out now? Taking family holidays together with my entire family. World tours that we used to have at that point. Okay. Please take my name. Charmi, there I've taken your name. Okay. To all my Arab fans out there, I love you guys and I hope to see you all soon. Greetings from Bulgaria. Oh God, that's Polina. Thank you so much. I didn't even know people in Bulgaria have seen any of my films. That's really, really nice. Okay, I'm trying to answer, but I swear to you, it's just going. When am I coming to Banaras? I don't know. Yeah, I hope soon. I can't kiss you now. I don't know who that was. Somebody. Elena, I can't kiss you now. No, it's not humanly possible. What do I do in my spare time? I watch football, I watch a lot of movies, I hang with my friends, just like what you guys do. When am I coming to Italy? I hope so soon. Yeah. Somebody should take me there, even if I don't feel like going right now. Somebody should just kidnap me and take me to Italy. I'm beautiful. Okay, that's not an adjective normally used to describe me, but thank you. Uh, when was the last time I cried? How many? It's been a while. But I did get emotional while watching Piku. That was really close to crying for me. Um, okay, it's just going. Please do a film with Varun again. Yes, I've done one. I will do something soon. What can you do to have a physique like me? I think more than that, you should just look out at being healthy and being fit. It's not about me or anybody else. You should be fit and healthy for yourself. Say something about Pakistan. Brilliant people, overwhelming love that I've got. So many people on Twitter that keep sending me messages from there. And it's actually the birthplace of my grandfather and my grandmother. So at some point, I would like to come out there and entertain people over there as well. I know Tevar did really, really well when it released over there. So that was really nice and heartwarming to hear. Any film with Karan Johar? Well, I've already done 2 states in his production, and you never know. You keep your fingers crossed and work hard. Someday soon, maybe. जेनिफर आई लव यू ऐसा मतलब अभी बाकी लोग बुरा मान जाएंगे तेरे को इतना प्यार दूंगा तो ओके ओ इट्स स्लोड डाउन वाओ ये ओ नो इट्स नॉट what are my plans for my 30th? I don't know. Thank you for reminding me that I'm getting old. Just generally, if I could swap with my life with an actor, Seeme Hanif, who would it be? That's a nice question actually. I would. It wouldn't be in this country. I think I would like to swap my life with maybe an actor abroad and from yesteryears, somebody like a Clark Gable or Frank Sinatra, just to experience that time and that era if I really had that chance. Okay, Deepak wants me to lose some weight. Yes, Deepak, I will make sure I lose even more weight. हड्डी बन जाऊंगा तेरे लिए बस खुश हो जाओ. Any lucky thing? It's just scrolling through here. When am I getting married? Arey yaar, why do you guys want me to get married? My dadi asked me yesterday when will I get married. It's really strange. People are just asking me why are they asking me if I want to get married? Apparently turning 30 is one word for Priyanka Chopra, exotic. प्लीज हमें भी हाय बोल दिया करो. दीपक अभी तो तेरे लिए वेट लूज करने के लिए भी तैयार हो गया. अभी हाय भी बोल दूं. Shout out to you, Jenny C. John. I never get what a shout out means. Am I supposed to just shout? Okay, Rishabh, it's not my birthday, but it's my real birthday, if that makes sense. Okay, now somebody's saying don't get married. Okay, now lots of people are saying don't get married. So this is leading into an argument. The nation wants to know, are you going to get married or not get married? Call my name, Arjunisha Sen Kapoor. Please don't marry, please don't marry, please marry, please. Okay, this is turning into a genuine argument now. Abhinav wants to know my dole ka size. I don't measure my biceps here, but now that you told me, tomorrow I will. Please show your tattoo here. I don't know if you guys can see it there. It's ulta. I'll have there. We have the same laptop. Yes, I think 80% of the population of the world at this point has the same laptop. But yes, this is not mine, just for the record. Can you say Zakira? Yeah, I just said it. Do I watch wrestling? No, I used to. I confess, I used to have all the figures, the wrestling figures, but now I don't. Somebody wants to know what 2 plus 3 is 5. Wow, Finesh, you're really so intelligent. I love the fact that you're making the effort despite everything to still message. Superb. 2-3 और अच्छे सवाल भेजना, थोड़ा सा बेटर तो कर सकता है तू. Okay. Will I keep a short hangout? Well, I would like to, but it's just been a bit difficult to have a hangout session recently. Abhinav, all the best for tomorrow's exam. Next movie with Pariniti. Kajal, at this point, I've not signed any film with her, so once I do, you guys will be the first to know. But I'm looking forward to working with her. Casual or formals, I prefer casuals, but I have a soft spot for suits. IPL team, Anil, that I'm supporting is obviously Mumbai. I'm born and brought up here, so I do support Mumbai. Okay. You wear an olive colored watch frequently. Which one is it? Yes, I do. It's called the IWC Top Gun. It's a very simple, understated watch. It's got olive straps, which is actually this color. Okay, now again it started going fast. How do you recover after a movie has done well in the box office? Example, Gunde. Well, eventually, when you do a film, the fate is not in your hands. Some films do well, some don't. You try and move on and move ahead and not take it so seriously into your heart. You have to accept the good and the bad. So every film has its own emotion and its own memories. You try and retain that, but you let go. It's like a relationship. Eventually, it will come to an end. So most films do tend to play out like a relationship. It's bittersweet regardless of the fate of the film. Yeah, Shruti, this is the 87th time you have requested that I work with Varun, and I'm keeping that in consideration. But why don't you request Varun Dhawan also? He's a very busy man. Please ask him also if he's inclined towards working with me. Multi-starers or solo? But irrelevant. I mean, eventually it's your role and the script and what you're trying to tell the audience. Both are great. Deepika, flawless. She's just getting better with time. My dream girl. मतलब now you'll expect me to say उसके लंबे लंबे बाल हो, गोरे गोरे गाल हो, छोटी छोटी आंखें हो, बहुत अच्छे होठ हो, but I don't have such a concept. I feel you should never have these preconceived notions because you never know who you fall for. Greetings from New Zealand. Thank you, Geetanjali. Am I coming to Australia, Archana? Like I said, I would love to, but I haven't had the opportunity yet. A song from a movie that I love. I love Saiya. It just it never really picked up at the point it came out. But it remains something that I listen to all the time. Okay. Why did I unfollow you? I didn't ever follow you, Supi, but I barely follow anybody on Instagram. Do people treat me differently after I lost weight? Well, I won't say differently, but you do get noticed for different reasons by more people. And of course, after you become an actor, you do get noticed even more. So it's a double-edged sword in that sense. You can't say just because I lost weight, people looked at me differently. It was a lot to do with the profession I got into as well. Jennifer, I'll announce my next film really soon. Okay. Okay, Manju, I can't really remember meeting you when I was in Noida, but I'm sure and I hope that it was nice because okay. Yes, Arsh, I remember your Tevar cartoon. I remember all you guys. I never end up naming all of you all the time, but trust me, I would, from the bottom of my heart, thank you personally if I ever got a chance to meet you. Will I come to Hong Kong? Yes, Zoya, I will come to Hong Kong. I want to travel. Why don't you guys send me tickets? Why don't you guys just get some event sorted? I'll be there. Australia, Holland, everywhere across the world. I would love to travel, but once you become an actor, it becomes very work oriented. Your travel, you don't get to take so many holidays. Although I have taken a holiday recently. Okay, there's one person who just wants me to do Virus Diwan. I never started the film to complete it. It's not about that it's not got completed. We never did start shooting for it. It was just a poster that we shot. When am I going to sing? I will never sing, Deepak, because you guys will shut whatever it is. Okay. You want to stroke my beard next time. On that note, okay, I've got a... Okay. So we'll do the last few questions and then I have to run because I've just been told I have to leave. When am I going to sing? I'm never going to sing. My favorite country, obviously India. I love dancing, primarily because I dance for myself, and I love dancing to Hindi music. Okay, okay, okay. You're sending me tickets, Sanjanam, to come to New Zealand. Thank you so much. On that note, I have to run because time has run out. But I would like to thank Facebook for arranging this live stream chat. It's been really, really nice. And I assure you, and this is not a false promise, that I will do this again very soon, hopefully around my birthday. So thank you for all the love. Thank you for loving me for the last 3 years. And thank you for coming out and watching my films. I hope you keep watching them. Thank you.